Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on an EagleTac MX25L4. Now I had also done the review of their MX25L4T, which stands for turbo, which has the bigger reflector, so it's more of a dedicated thrower. Did real well in my tests. I got this on Amazon. They do sell them, and I'll leave a link in the description to a couple of sellers that were able to supply this to me. Comes in this box, so let's wait no further. Let's open it up and see what's in. Comes with a register your new EagleTac light, and it comes with a limited lifetime warranty, which is nice. Here's the user manual. Now the particular model that I have has the SST-90 LED in it. In my understanding, it's total output of 2860 lumens. A lot of light to come out of that. I'll go ahead. It's in a little bag here like the previous model I had done. Comes with a lanyard. Nothing else in the box. We're going to go ahead and unwrap it here. And this is a nice carrying bag to keep it from getting scratched up. There it is. Got the little indentations on there. Now turning this, you can go through the modes. You can also program this to be more of tactical light output with one light output with strobe and SOS by going back and forth on the turn from high and medium back and forth. I believe it's within 10 seconds that you'll change the mode. It'll be more of tactical. I'm going to leave it on the default mode because I like having the additional light outputs. The button here does stick out past the body, so you should be able to find that in the dark. It's got some knurling here on the head. Knurling here on the barrel. Now these lights are not cheap. They do run pretty expensive on this. This will be my second ever EagleTac to test and review on my channel, so I'm very excited to see how this one does. And I'll bring out the previous one that I had done a review on, just to give you a size reference. Body is pretty much the same here. The only difference is the head. Same LED. Really nice to be able to show you guys them side to side. Okay. Other than that, they're identical in every way. So again, I want to say the style on this one is really nice. I kind of like the fact that it's more of the same size going all the way through the length of the flashlight, that is. Machining and finish on this is outstanding. Not seeing any issues whatsoever on this. Really top notch on their finishing here. Really nice. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the smooth. Now this is pretty deep for this size of light. Smooth reflector there, and get in closer to it. really nice. Man. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you the contact points as well as the batteries I'll be using in my test. And we'll show you the tail and the contacts along with the springs. This does rotate around. 3 pins here guarantees you won't put it in backwards unless you put in the batteries backwards. Well greased on the threads. And I'll go ahead and I'll show you the batteries I'm going to be using. These are acetate, 3400 milliamps. These are unprotected cells. They are button top. Really good performance on these. Been using them for quite a while. So now I'll go ahead and show you the head of the light. Contact points on there. Quite a few of them in there to go through the different levels of light outputs. Contact plate on the barrel. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put this back together. And we'll go through the different light outputs. Alright, so now we're going to go through the UI. UI is pretty simple. We turn that on. Now this is the lowest light output. You can see it's really nice tight beam on that. We're just going to turn the barrel of the light there, just turn it just a half turn. Then again, turn it again. Increases the light output. Show you here. There's the highest light output. Really nice, focused. Does have a bit of bleeding here in the corona, but the spill is really defined and nice details on that. Looking really good. Of course, that is really bright as well. Turn that off. And that's all there is to it on this. So we're going to go ahead and take this outside to see how it does in the wilderness. We are outside here in the Douglas with the EagleTac. Now this is the smaller of the two that I've done. So let's go ahead and get started. That's on low. 65 feet to that tree from where I'm standing. And it is faintly making it across the park. 35 feet from where I'm standing to that water spout. And it is faintly making the tree of life, as you can see. Alright, so let's go to the next level and we'll go over here and do it. Gotta turn it here a little bit. There's the next level. Pretty nice, large, wide spill on this. Tree line, fence line, tree line. And it is making it across the park now. That's really nice. Even on this low of output, it's making the tree of life. That's 138 feet from where I'm standing. See it on the school there. So that's quite a bit more feet away. Forgot the amount. Alright, we're going to go head back over here and show the different light output. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go to the next level. I have to turn it with my one hand here. There's the next level. Really nice light output even on this level. Fence line, tree line. Remember, it's coming right out of this. And now this is not a large flashlight, but it's not small either. A little longer than a soda can, about the same thickness. Easily making it across the park. Look at all the spill. Hot spot there. Making that tree across the way with ease. Even the one next to it. Tree behind the Tree of Life is 238 feet. So it's exactly 100 feet away from there. And I can't remember what the other one is further back. School is quite a ways from where I'm standing. Check the palm tree in front of the school. It's barely making that one. One across the street. So it's close. Faintly making that. Really nice. Before, after. Very nice. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the light to turbo. And there's turbo. Sorry about the movement, I gotta turn it with my hand. One hand, that is. Look at that light up that. Look at the beam on that. Excellent. Tree behind it with these. Those trees are quite a ways out. Before, after. Putting it at my head level. Look at that. Excellent performance. Seeing both parks. Kids park, and then you got the toddler park. Really nice. Amazing performance. Do a beam assessment here. Really nice wide spill area, 100% useful. And that's nice to have a spill that you can use. So if you're pointing at something, you can see what's in front of you leading up to that. Check out the palm trees. Again, easily making it across the park. Easily making the school. And the palm trees are lit up. That's good. Excellent. There's before, after. Really like the tint on this light too. I'm going to be putting it in a case. I'll be using this one pretty often. This is actually pretty nice. Very nice. It is cold out here. Had some really stormy weather earlier, so clouds are all gone, so it's really cold. All right, looking really good. Man. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Another amazing performance flashlight. This was really top notch. Might explain why they're a little more on the pricey side, but their performance is definitely amazing. This here being a little more compact as far as size wise compared to the other one I did, it's a little more practical for more applications, and I'm going to end up looking for a case for this because I'll end up using it more often. Really like the beam. Quality of it is top notch on this. Through and through, I'm not seeing any issues with EagleTac. Now, EagleTac has a lifetime warranty on this, which is really a big plus. Hopefully you never have to use it, but I'm really happy I got this on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description to the seller that I got this from. Should you be interested in getting it, it'll be there. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of EagleTacs to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.